Hello there, this is the Volkswagen ID.Buzz Long Wheelbase. It's Volkswagen's biggest retro-futuristic styled electric van. Whether you're going on a road trip with lots of friends, or you just go to the beach for the weekend, or even doing the daily school run, the ID.Buzz Long Wheelbase helps with that because it brings extra load space and, of course, those all-important extra seats. My favourite feature of the ID.Buzz is its electric sliding doors. You can control these from the key here, and you can even open the little windows on the side, which just pop in by holding down the unlock button. As quite a tall bloke, I actually struggle to fit in the very, very back row of 7-seater cars sometimes, but this, I've got loads of room. It's actually fantastic. And you can have this in a few different layout options. It's nice and airy with this 6-seater option where it's got captain's chairs with their little armrests down here. But if you want to have this as a full bench seat, you can also fit all 7 people, including you, the driver, into this ID.Buzz, which is fantastic if you've got a large family or your friend group's designated taxi driver. In the front, it's as roomy as it is everywhere else. You've got these captain's chairs that continue through with armrests on them. Very comfortable armrest on the door. Everything just works perfectly. You've got 2 cup holders down here, and if you don't want them, you can just fold that away. You can even open the doors from the side here by pressing those buttons. On top of that, there's this sort of center console unit, which has customizable cup holders with a little bottle opener in there. And it's got a very, very big screen, which is helpful because you can see your maps and everything. You're pressing the right buttons, and it's nice and fast as well. Down here is some charging, and I do want to mention there's USB-C charging ports going all the way through the car, from here, in the middle, and even for the people in the back. So yes, there's lots of room for people in the ID.Buzz, but you're going to want to put all of those people's stuff in the back of it, and it's got very smart load space. Now, a few of the things that I want to point out are quite interesting. First of all, it's got a tow bar, which nearly hit me in the leg there. Don't do that. But you just bring that up and it snaps into place like that. It's all done through a little switch over there. Also, in the back here, if you want to have all of your room open, but you don't want your shopping bags to all rattle about, well, you can hang them on that little hook. It's also 12 volt in here, and one of my favourite little things for keeping stuff in is a little Velcro thing. Pop it on there, it's like a divider, and it stops all of your stuff from rattling about if you're packing some gear in the back of here. That rhymed. Under here is storage boxes for your charging cable and also anything else you want to put in there. And by popping that down, it makes this nice and level with the very, very back seats down. You can also take those out, which is quite interesting, so you get even more room by that much. Very technical. And you can fit a lot more in here. This is what that looks like. You can fit proms in here, you can fit shopping bags in here, you can fit everything that you need. It's fantastic. So if you're a big fan of the Volkswagen ID.Buzz Long Wheelbase or the Short Wheelbase, then you can pop down to any of our Volkswagen sites across the Northeast, or of course you can go on our website, pullmangroup.co.uk, to find out even more about them.
Pullman, delivering a fantastic customer experience.